Hey, question for you. I'd like to pick up a few sheets of plywood. I assume you're not open for people to come in the store. It's just kind of will call. Okay, it's your birch ply. Okay, can I get two sheets of 3/4 and four sheets of 1/2 inch, and then I'll pick it up here in the next couple of hours. Right. Let's go 2 hours, just somewhere thereabouts. So about noonish. Yeah, I'll do my best to make that time. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. I've got a project that I'm working on in the shop, and I needed some material. What a different day we're in with the shutdown of getting things done. So getting this material, I couldn't go into the shop. They're closed. You can buy stuff and you can pick it up and will call, but you can't go in and look at it. And so I had to make my decisions with their website online. I had to make a call and ask a few questions. Then I had to order it and pay for it and set up a time to pick it up. So I thought it would be fun to just take you along for this quick trip and let you see how we can still get things done during the shutdown. I've got a project to complete and I need a few sheets of plywood. The days of jumping in the pickup truck and running to the lumber store and picking them up, they just aren't there now. Staying safe, staying separate, keeping our distance from other people. I had to pick up the phone and call. Can't go into the store, so I made the order. Had to pay for the order with a credit card, and then set a time, the approximate time that I'm going to get there. And then once I arrive, I'll call in and let them know I'm out in the waiting area, and they will bring the plywood out and load it in the truck for me. So we'll be able to keep our distancing, and but I'll still be able to get my material. So the project goes on, and staying safe at the same time. Hey Raphael, Ron Paulk here. I'm out front in a silver Ford. Well, I'm all loaded up. So I pulled in, I had a assigned slot, and I called in, and the warehouseman brought it out on a cart. My nature was I wanted to help him load the plywood, but he put his hand up and said, please stay back. And he loaded the plywood in the truck, so we remained far more than 6 feet apart. And he had a mask on, I had a mask on. So such as it is these days to get a little lumber. As you can see, things are different these days, but you can still get things done. So take advantage of this time, get your projects done, get some things done around the house, get some things done in the shop, get organized, get ready to go, because when the shutdown is lifted, we'll all be back to work, and there'll be a lot of pent-up demand for our skills. If you want to get yourself a set of plans, you can go over to thesmartwoodshop.com. I'll put a link in the description down below. You can go to our store there. You can purchase the plans for any of my workbenches, any of my fixtures, or the Smart Woodshop. You get to download them instantly and get right to work. We also have an Amazon store there that we curate. If you use that Amazon link, the associate link, affiliate link, they'll share a little bit with us, help support the channel, but they don't charge you any extra. And remember, if you like these videos and you want to see more, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell so you'll know when I drop a new video, and also share the channel with others. Stay safe, and thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. Have a great day.